नमस्कार। चरे वेती ये उद्घोष है वेद का। नहीं रुकना, नहीं थकना, सतत चलना। कई जीत बाकी है, संघर्ष अनेक बाकी है। अभी तो जिंदगी का शेष सार बाकी है। यहां से चले हैं नई मंजिल पाने के लिए। यह तो एक अध्याय है, पूर्ण साहित्य बाकी है। ये उद्गार है कर्मठता के, भाव है कर्मशीलता के। गति ही जीवन है। कितनी ही प्रतिकूल परिस्थितियां हो, अवरोध हो, ये गति ही जीवन को जीवंत कर देती है। विगत वर्ष कुछ ऐसा ही था, परंतु विद्यालय की शिक्षण एवं शिक्षणेतर गतिविधियां सहज सक्रिय रहीं। आज उन्हीं लम्हों के अक्स प्रदर्शनी के सूत्र में पिरोकर डीएवी पब्लिक स्कूल साहिबाबाद का सेकेंडरी विंग उपस्थित है। ढल जाती है हर चीज अपने एक तय वक्त पर। ढल जाती है हर चीज अपने एक तय वक्त पर। श्रम सौंदर्य के अक्स हैं जो कभी नहीं चुकते। Honorable Principal Sir, parents, teachers and my dear students, I extend a cordial welcome to all. A journey can be reflection of life. Without much ado, we shall sail across with you all, beginning with lighting of lamp, followed by a note by our Honorable Principal Sir and other chain of events.
A warm good evening to all the parents, teachers and my dear students. I am really honored to have the opportunity to welcome all of you to the annual exhibition of the school. It is to showcase the talent of our talented staff and extraordinary children. I always take pride in saying that this is the institution I belong to because of unity, integrity and the moral it upholds. Dear parents, our country faced an unprecedented global pandemic as a response to which nationwide lockdown was announced. But difficulties are meant to rouse, not to discourage. Even in these trying times, DAV Saibabad has gone the extra mile to make sure that COVID-19 does not become a deterrent in our students' education. In a way, traditional classes are most suitable for young children as they allow active interaction with the teachers and the students of their own age. But our talented staff has left no stone unturned during these COVID pandemic days to ensure that the same concern, same affection, same care and same attention is provided to the students during the online classes. Dear parents, we are committed to the improvement and growth of our students' community to see them soar to new heights and taste success in all their endeavors. We strive to provide a nurturing and caring environment that will see all the students blossom into empowered and sensitive human beings. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all of you for your invaluable support and sincere involvement in the school and the activities and the actions and the plans of the institution. During these difficult times, let us reaffirm our concern and constant support to each other to deal with this situation with more vigilance and more care. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir. Very warm welcome to all of you. It gives me immense pleasure to cherish the moments in which we stood together during pandemic and sailed through graciously into the current times. With the rise of pandemic uncertainties, online schooling possessed the entire academic session and compelled us to acquire futuristic approach in teaching learning. Under the guidance of our dynamic respective principal sir, Mr. V.K. Chopra, the school administration and staff, which was in full swing to commence the new academic session 2021, had to work tirelessly to come up with a solution when the world came to a standstill. We remained undeterred and resumed online classes on 25th March virtually through Zoom and MS Teams. The school is happy to acknowledge the participation of its stakeholders in order to make the entire journey rewarding. We take pride in presenting you this Odyssey, the momentum, and hope you get mesmerized.
In order to get going, we have to get started. Thus our journey begins. This transition took the teachers by surprise because they had to go digital with the blink of an eye. Our school spared no effort in order to take every student on board against the new challenge of virtual learning. The new virtual class timetable was implemented. Beautiful digital monthly planners were circulated. During online classes, imparting subjective knowledge was not enough, so teachers indulged students in activities like name expansion bookmarks, developing PowerPoint presentations, creating book jacket, quick fun Kahoot revisions were conducted. Flipgrid videos and Padlet activities were executed. Some other activities included brochure and foldable making, crossword, puzzles and jam activities. Along with using traditional lecture method for teaching, teachers also chose to teach through PPTs, Jamboards, whiteboards, Canva infographics. In science, OLabs was the platform used to brief about various practical topics concerning physics, chemistry, and biology. YouTube videos were also incorporated in in order to improve speaking and listening skills. Assignments were given and assessments were conducted. Frequently via Google Classroom and Google Forms respectively. Such activities are inherent to academic education since forever. Co-curricular activities not only engage students for holistic development, it also helps students materialize their hobbies, ideas, and plan into action. On the eve of World Earth Day, under the able guidance of our respected principal sir, in charges and arts team, showcase their sense of awareness through poster making activity. The students were quick to present their work through various virtual modes like WhatsApp, email, uploading on MS Team, etc. Pravega, the most anticipated summer camp, established new paradigm at the kick-start of summer vacation. Pravega initiated on 28th May 2020 and lasts till 8th June 2020. In secondary wing, the camp organized several virtual activities under music, art, literature and IT, dance choreography on poem, Sur Sangam, fabric mask, mini notebook, fem-based, crossword, Leela Manchan, Alekh Lekhan, web designing, and MS Wave were the activities students experienced and learned from. They were judged on the culmination day of this tremendous camp. Students were also awarded with e-certificates. South Korea essay writing competition was one of the biggest inter-school events, which was non-intrusive, less time-consuming, yet interesting. More than 100 students from secondary wing participated under junior and senior category and brought laurels to the school. International Day of Yoga was celebrated in a unique way where a virtual session was conducted. Students did yoga poses in the live session as guided by the sports faculty. They also witnessed the participation of our principal sir, who was the source of motivation and inspiration for the students. In lieu of pertinent COVID-19 pandemic, DIOS Ghaziabad organized competitions on essay writing, poster making, slogan writing, song writing and poetry writing. The topics for these competitions were Corona ko harana hai, Bharat se bhagana hai, and road safety. World Population Day was observed on 11th July 2020. The artisan of DAV Saibabad left no stone unturned in portraying the purpose of this day. The students were involved in poster making activity. The work of the student was highly praised by the school dignitaries. The blood of martyr is the seed of the nation. A quote well said. Our secondary wing students marked Kargil Vijay Divas with utmost respect by putting forth their homage through their beautiful artwork. It was well appreciated by our respected Principal Sir, Mr. V.K. Chopra. DAV Public School Sahibabad family under the aegis of Honorable Principal Sir, in harmony with all the stakeholders, celebrated the 74th Independence Day and Teachers' Day. Students contributed by performing solo dance and sang songs from their respective home and thus showcasing their love and talent. Secondary wing students also sketched beautiful work of art through posters. The valor of our freedom fighters and soldiers were remembered and applauded. Our Honorable Principal Sir went an extra mile and dedicated a beautiful patriotic song in his own words to make the day even more memorable. A beautiful cultural program was hosted on Teachers' Day. A team of music department, teachers and students performed songs. Our beloved students made the Teachers' Day indelible by giving cultural performance. Beyond virtual classroom learning, students of secondary wing also got the opportunity to be a part of some action-packed heyday. Our students Aditi Swain and Apurv outshone and brought laurels by winning merit position in CREO International event. Read India competition, which was an international event to judge a student's emotional quotient and political approach. Our student Venya stood firm, competitive and managed to qualify for third round. She was appreciated for her innovative skills. Ups in the Down, a competition unlocking the skills of the student, was completely taken over by Prachi Kumari by winning first position. In another event, Ganga Quest 2020, two students Bhavya and Seelam acquired perfect scores. Moving ahead, ATL Plasmo App Development Program. BRICS Math, ATL Codever, Shakuntala Devi Webinar. Importance of discipline and values in character building were some of the workshops and webinars which took the e-route for students to explore, experience and enhance their expertise. Not only this, our loving students made the Teachers' Day unforgettable. They showed their love and respect for teachers. The teachers of secondary wing have been competitive and traversed across various learning ventures during lockdown. To ensure value education, the teachers attended a handful of workshops. Webinars and orientation programs conducted by DAV, CAE, CBSE and school. These sessions helped teachers to encourage minds to think, hands to create and hearts to love. On behalf of DAV Public School Saibabad, I would like to use this platform to convey my heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Principal Sir, worthy teachers, supportive parents, and lovely students who have been with us in all thick and thin. With warm regards, I shall rest my words here and leave you with commendable, creative, and effortful work projected by our students in virtual exhibition. Thank you.
The purpose of literature is to turn blood into ink. Hello and welcome everybody to the Center Stage, a virtual English project room brought to you by DAV Public School Saibabad Secondary Wing. Today we are here to unleash the creativity of the students of class 9th and 10th. Because when you can transform what you have studied into something much more creative, now that's real learning. So let us go and find out what are the latest highlights in our newsroom.
There are many few people, mostly in India, with decency, with a strong set of values. Welcome Mr. Tada, a young boy from the northeastern state of Arunachal Pradesh. Novelty like yours has set a benchmark in the world of technology. How are you taking it as?
Well, I have a great sense of pride that over these 5 years my intentions have been structured by the companies.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Juhi Verma and once again I welcome you all to my show, The Talkative Girl. Today we are here to discuss some of the very unusual and the incident which surprised my friend Frederick the most. So Frederick, tell us about that.
It was a clear sky. I was heading back to England with the company of my old Dakota. Paris control room guided me and I shifted to my last fuel tank after checking the maps and compass.
Who doesn't want fashion in their lives? Come on, there's a fashion show going on and we don't want to miss it.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am Afati, your host, and I am in Uttar Pradesh. Today I'm gonna take you to India's biggest fashion week, 100 dresses, and the humongous highlight for today is that we are having marvelous fashion designers from Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya.
Whoa, just look at these artistic designs. This is awesome. Do you like theater? I do. Drama improves your communication skills, expressions, and a lot more. And that's where we are heading right now.
Hello everyone, today I have Utkarsh along with my teammates Vasu, Vanika, Trisha and Soumya going to present a skit on Meghalayan family on the topic that we have prepared. Does parent nag on their children? If you also think so, okay, let's find it out through our skit. Let's go.
Khun, tomorrow is your exam. Why are you playing games?
Every day is the same thing. It's like a CD had stuck.
Are you listening to me or complain to your kappa?
What do you want me? I was studying from past 2 hours and now when I'm taking a break you have a problem?
Hey Khun, don't argue with your mom. Just go and do something productive.
Kappa, I have prepared for my exam. want a break.
But Kishvi is right. She was studying and now wants a break.
Khun, if you want a break, then come and help me in kitchen.
Me? Never.
See how rude your Khun is becoming.
Me, your love has totally spoiled her. I'm telling you.
Kishvi, come, let's sleep. You have your exam tomorrow.
Let's see what will you do in your exams tomorrow. Just after playing games a day before, it's not a good idea.
That was really amazing, wasn't it? Well, there's more amazing things to come as we are heading into the art corner. Tighten your belts.
You are welcome, Lord of Lords. You are welcome, King of Kings. You are welcome, Lord of Hosts. You are welcome, Prince of Peace. Your children dance before you. We lift this song to you. This is our deepest heart cry. It is you we long to see. Open heart, burn for you. Outstretched hands, we reach for you, we reach for you. You are welcome here. You are welcome here. You are welcome here, mighty God. You are welcome here. You are welcome here. You are welcome here, mighty God. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Mighty God.
Games are a fundamental way in which humans interact and learn. It develops leadership qualities and challenging spirits. Everyone likes games, so let's head into it and see what we got there.
Good evening. After reading the chapter Reach for the Top, I was pleased to share some basic tennis tips with my friends that will help you to grab more interest in tennis. We will start with service. Service in a tennis is a shot to start a point.
Hi everyone. This is the board game. Although 4 players can play here, but I have only chosen 2 colors, peach and blue. So now let's continue. He got green. Now it's the chance of him to choose a question card. The question is, who is Hodgkin? He is a doctor. You are wrong.
Oh, that was so fun. I was playing along. Next turn is for poetry. Poetry is a form of expression. It lets us get out our feelings and thoughts on a subject, and reading it allows us to connect and find meaning in our experiences. So let's listen to it.
Self-made poetry on snakes. O great goddess serpent, the mighty and the best, why do you choose us? Didn't you know how earthlings will treat you, or is the matter more complex? With you at the top, I highly doubt if you didn't have a choice. Were you the only one with the valor to sacrifice your figure for us lives? O the goddess of sacrifice and the only venerable all around, the world shall remember what you did for us, and will ultimately bow with utmost apologies. Who says you aren't beauty yourself, your highness? The prayers for the good in your eyes are alone enough to put all the rumors to sleep.
Marvelous. Knowledge is everywhere and we should be ready to grab it. So let's learn a bit about wildlife.
Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Chukla of 10th A and I am here to speak about the clouded leopard. Clouded leopards are the 2 species of wild cat that live throughout the forests of Southeast Asia. The smallest of the big cats, they are secretive and rare in the wild, preferring to remain alone and hidden from the view.
Hello friends, I am Akriti Joshi of class 10th A and I am going to speak about Bengal florican. Bengal florican is a bird species which is found in Arunachal Pradesh. It is an endangered species of bird which is spotted in the eastern district of Arunachal Pradesh.
Hello everyone, I am Anshuman Jain of class 10th and I am here to speak about red panda. Red panda is a mammal species native to the eastern Himalayas and southwest China. They are also known as red bear cat. Red panda have an extra thumb which is an enlarged bone for grabbing bone stems and tree branches.
Literature speaks the language of imagination, and the study of literature helps to train and improve that imagination. With this, we come to the end of our virtual English exhibition, where we saw tons of creativity and of course learned quite a lot. I hope you enjoyed your time at the center stage. I am Prachi Kumari and I'll see you next time.
Hello. Hi dear all. First of all, I want to thank all the teachers of DV Public School, Sahibabad, for the hard work they have put in for the online sessions. Preparing lessons, making children learn through fun, all this through distance learning. It is very difficult to teach children online. However, you all are making sure that each child gets proper attention and the learning is smooth. I really appreciate the fact that the focus is not just on finishing the syllabus but also ensuring that each child is learning properly. The children are also enjoying the core curricular activities which are taking place along with the main subjects like music and dance. It makes them look forward for the classes. You all are also making sure that children are mentally strong during the classes to reduce their stress. It is really commendable. It is indeed
I am Parul Goel, mother of Advik Goel of 10th standard from DAV Public School, Sahibabad. I would like to thank all the teachers for putting such immense effort into online sessions. My child Advik Goel was able to understand each and every concept explained in virtual classes. Presentations were well drafted. Chapters which were explained were in proper manner. All the assignments and homeworks were given properly. All the co-curricular activities took place simultaneously. Exhibitions, projects, holiday homework, and even parents-teacher meeting were also conducted efficiently with 100% teacher support. During online classes, every student was given proper chance to speak and raise his doubts, and most importantly, the feedback by the teachers was handled positively. Not only studies was even sports, yoga, arts and music classes were also conducted by the teachers. Teachers have turned out to be the super real heroes for our children. I am so happy and thankful for the stupendous amount of effort put in by all the teachers of DAV Sahibabad. Thank you.
A teacher is a person with comparable skills for helping others to learn, guide and help to solve a problem. Today I am here to thanks to the teachers and the principals. I really appreciate you all so patient and working so hard with us to boost our confidence in this pandemic also. I do not have words to express how grateful I am to be the part of DAV Public School Sahibabad. Thank you for you a light in the dark and your sincere efforts for us to study from the homes. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I Ananya Bhattacharya along with my fellow friends Alok Kumar Sahu, Arpit Sharma and Devansh Jain are going to present a PPT on the topic Maths, Art and Sport Integrated Activity in front of you, instructed by our Maths faculty.
Fun experiences of studying with online classes in lockdown. Me and my friends had a lot of fun in studying in lockdown. Our teachers taught us interactively by the help of PPTs. We had a lot of fun art-integrated activities in the online classes. Teachers helped in learning difficult topics with fun. Also, the activities gave our children a mind-refreshing experience during COVID-19 situation. The sport played in Meghalaya chosen for this activity is football. Here, the measurement of the football field is shown on a Cartesian plane. Here, the main points on a football ground are shown. The main points are given below. The sport played in Arunachal Pradesh chosen for this activity is archery. Archery is a famous sport of rural and urban areas there. The archery board is drawn on a Cartesian plane which can be seen in the image below. Here the distance between two consecutive rings is found by the use of distance formula of coordinate geometry. The coordinates of green ring are 0, 5 and the coordinates of red ring are 0, 10. So distance is found by usage of distance formula and the distance is 5 units.
This shows the sport integrated activity of Chapter 7 Coordinate Geometry. We have tried to relate coordinate geometry with the national sport of India, hockey. Hockey is the national sport of India because of several reasons, one of them being the bright and big deep-rooted history related to sports in India. In addition to that, India has many brilliant players that played for the country and it is the oldest known game in the country. Here, the question is to find the value of x, where the distance between 2 points is given to be 5 units. The formula used for the same is the distance formula. After using the distance formula, we arrive at an equation which equalizes to 0. For the last step, middle term split is being used for finding the value of x as shown here.
Foldables including major topics of mathematics are shown in the following slide.
Preparation of the foldable shown on previous page are given in the videos below.
Hello everyone, myself Samarth and I am here to present my mathematics foldable on the topic formula of volume of some common geometrical figures. First we have a sphere whose volume formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then a hemisphere whose volume formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube. A cube with formula side cube. Cuboid whose formula of volume is length into breadth into height, that is L into B into H. Then a cylinder with formula pi r square H. And at last a cone whose formula of volume is 1 by 3 pi r square H.
Learning maths with decorative items. Here are some pictures of matho frame and math hanging. Apart from all the projects and activities, teachers also conducted some quizzes which helped in better learning in this online education platform.
Hello friends, Namaskar. My name is Akhilesh and my son is a student of 9th standard in DAV Public School. I really want to thank DAV School and the management for the way they have responded to the lockdown and the corona impact, because when we were worried about that, what will happen to our kids, how will they study, the school management proactively, engaged student by taking online classes, and they were so impactful that I couldn't believe, because when they started the classes, The situation was that teacher have never taken these classes online, and it was a big challenge for them. But I must thank all the teachers to who stood up to the requirement, and then they have engaged our student and delivered very good classes. That's a great thing from DAV school and the management. At the same time,
Neetu Sethi, mother of Chirag Sethi, 9th D. I am very grateful to respected principal sir and all teachers of DAV Public School. During this time of pandemic, DAV staff, DAV teachers took care of our children properly. Proper classes were taken by them, and even student parents counseling classes were also taken by them.
I
They
am
kept
Keshav Singhal of DAV Public School, Saibabad. I take pride in saying that the faculty, the management and the staff have taken a lot of efforts in shaping and showing us the way during this pandemic. You all have gone an extra mile for the students during these hard times.
Today, we students of class 9th and 10th are going to present an art integrated PPT of science in front of you. We would like to express our special thanks of gratitude to our teachers, science faculty, as well as our principal sir, Mr. V.K. Chopra, who gave us the golden opportunity to do this wonderful project, which also helped us in doing a lot of research, and we came to know about so many new things. We are really thankful to them. Secondly, we would also like to thank our parents and friends who helped us a lot in finalizing this project within the limited time frame.
In the midst of lockdown, it is the virtual classroom, digital online teaching which is proving effective. Here are some of the snaps of a physics teacher teaching in lockdown.
The first activity is from the chapter Electricity. These symbols play a vital role in the understanding of electric circuits. The second activity is also from the chapter Electricity. It shows the Ohm's circuit diagram.
Here is the activity showing the making of electromagnet at home.
My name is Kinjal Jaiswal and I am a student of class 10th. My science teacher encouraged me to make a project on electromagnet, which is also a part of my physics classroom. An electromagnet consists of a wire coiled around a soft iron core, and it produces a magnetic field as soon as the current is passed through it, which can attract metallic objects such as staple pins. And unlike regular magnets, electromagnet can be turned off by removing the flow of the current.
The objective of video was to incorporate physics in our daily life and help students to understand the concept more effectively.
The first shows the art integrated activity of important salts of chapter 2 acid bases and salt. We have made colorful chart of common name, chemical formulae, preparation and uses of salt. It is helpful in at a glance learning of detailed study of salts.
Here is also an art integrated activity of modern periodic table from the chapter Periodic Classification of Elements. Modern periodic table is made for learning study of properties along a group and period. It is helpful in solving all the board exams related questions and case study questions.
This shows the art integrated activity of bonding in different compounds. For this, we have made clay and stick models of water, hydrogen sulfide, and ammonia.
Here is an activity explaining the concepts of metals and nonmetals.
Chemistry Art Integrated Project. Materials in the environment are subcategorized into two, metals and nonmetals. Metals have basic properties of malleability, ductility, high heat resistance, high melting point, plasticity, high density, etc. Non-metals, on the other hand, are brittle, non-lustrous, poor conductors, tend to gain electrons, and can be present in any form at room temperature. On the contrast, metalloids have the properties or characteristics of both metals and nonmetals. Metals are present along the left side of the periodic table, and non-metals on the right side except hydrogen, and metalloids are present along the staircase in the periodic table except aluminium.
The art should be included in the science classroom as a way of helping students learn. Art integration provides a deeper understanding of the material to students and also gives students the chance to be creative in their schoolwork. Life processes are essential to maintain life. Important life processes include nutrition, transportation, respiration, and excretion, which helps in the maintenance of living organisms. We have made these diagrams of different life processes which shows different parts of the human system. Art has been an important part of our life. We have done these art integrated activities as art helps us simplifying topics and makes our understanding about the topic better.
The materials used in the following activity are chemistry, wool, pulses, cotton, glitter paper, beads; physics, matchstick, thread, sketch pens, and pulses; biology, colorful paper, straw, pulses, beads, wool, fevicol, and scissors.
Here is an art integrated activity of science by the students of ninth standard.
गुड मॉर्निंग डियर डीएवी फैमिली। पिछले साल इस कोविड पेंडेमिक सिचुएशन में जिस तरह से डीएवी स्कूल की टीचर्स और प्रिंसिपल ने अपने बच्चों के लिए जो पढ़ाई की सजी बनाई वो वाकई काबिल तारीफ है। इस साल के शुरू में जब हम कोविड 19 को मात दे रहे हैं, 90% ऑलमोस्ट मात दे चुके हैं, 10% जो आने वाले 1-2 महीनों में इस सिचुएशन को लगभग ख़त्म होने की कगार पर है। इस सिचुएशन में, पूरे साल की सिचुएशन में जिस तरह से डीएवी साहिबाबाद की टीचर्स और प्रिंसिपल ने बच्चों के लिए जो स्ट्रेटजी बनाई है, जिसमें बच्चों ने इसमें पूरी तरह से ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई में पार्टिसिपेट किया और फाइनली जो उनका रिजल्ट आया वो वाकई इस पेंडेमिक सिचुएशन में काबिल तारीफ है। मैं सभी डीएवी टीचर्स का और प्रिंसिपल का तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करता हूं कि जिन्होंने इस सिचुएशन में अपने बच्चों को पूरी तरह से इन्वॉल्व रखा और बच्चों ने भी पूरी तरह से अपने स्कूल का नाम रोशन किया। थैंक यू सो मच।
Hello everyone, I want to express my sincere gratitude to all the staff members of DAV Public School, Sahibabad. I am very honest to say that all the teachers are showing their great efforts in this pandemic session by making and preparing PPTs, assignments and activities on each and every topic. Thank you so much for your hard work and support during this difficult period. Your humility, kindness and strength are really very appreciable. Thank you so much for being our children, guiding light in the face of this adversity. Thank you so much.
Express my gratitude towards school management and teachers and staff who make best effort to provide education to us by arranging online classes and assignments. They made their best efforts for our education, and now we are getting to best education as possible in this pandemic.
A very warm welcome to Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers and my dear friends. I, Akriti Bansal, welcome you all to Social Science Annual Exhibition, The Renaissance, our very own revival of learning, which is all about different projects, art integration activities and portfolio activities made by the students of class 9th and 10th. Before proceeding further, we should know why students are given projects. I know for many of us it's boring and time taken, but these projects improve our creativity and critical thinking. The first category of project is on the consumer awareness. Consumer awareness is an act of making sure that the buyer or consumer is aware of the information about consumer rights. Coming to the project on social issue. A social issue is a problem that influences many citizens within a society. The idea to make project on social issues is to study economical, cultural, biological, psychological problems related to society, like poverty. And the factors affecting poverty are limited resources, colonial past, unemployment, lack of education, corruption, and population explosion. And the remedial measures of poverty are proper education, population control, free training, non-discrimination, and economic development. The next social issue is child labor. It is a work that deprives children of their childhood, their potential, and their dignity, which is harmful to their physical and mental development. Many articles have been imposed by our government to abolish child labor, like Article 21A, Article 45, and the Factory Act. The next project is on the very vital topic, sustainable development. Sustainable development is the idea that human societies must live and meet their needs without compromising the ability of future generations. These are the beautiful maps and mind maps created manually as well as made through the website mapchart.net.com.
Now we will learn something about portfolios.
The idea to make portfolio is to encourage students to take more ownership and responsibility over the learning process and help students reflecting where they started a course, how they developed it, and where they ended up a conclusion in a year. Non-conventional sources of energy are the sources that are continuously replenished by natural processes. The various types of non-conventional sources are tidal energy, which is harnessed from the tides, wind power energy, geothermal energy, biogas, which is commonly used in villages, and solar energy is the radiant light and heat from the sun. A beautiful brochure for a trip to France. I'm sure now you want to go there, but wait for the COVID vaccine.
Now let's have a quick look at a video.
Triangular slave trade. In the 16th century, the colonies of Caribbean were important suppliers of sugar, coffee, tobacco and indigo, but the unwillingness of the Europeans to go to work at distant lands meant a shortage of labor. This shortage was met by a triangular slave trade between Europe, Africa, and America. The French merchants sailed to the African coast from where they bought slaves from the local chieftains. They were tightly packed for a 3-month long voyage across the Atlantic to the Caribbean, where they were sold to plantation owners. The exploitation of slave labor made it possible to meet the growing demands of commodities in European colonies. The National Convention abolished slavery in 1794, but Napoleon Bonaparte reintroduced slavery in 1804. Finally, slavery was abolished in the French colonies in 1848.
Now, fascinating wall magazines made by our stupendous friends. We have made eye-catching posters on different topics like political parties and information about them, like Nationalist Congress Party, which was founded in 1999, types of government, economic growth of a country, a poster on National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005. It aims to guarantee the right to work and 100 days wage employment in 625 districts in India.
Now let's have a quick look at a beautiful video.
I'm going to show you a quick difference between organized and unorganized sectors. So let's start. She is Kamla. She works in Kathilal's shop. She is in a lot of distress. Her salary is very low. She doesn't have any job security. Her work is completely irregular. She doesn't have any fixed hours for working. She doesn't get any allowances. And of course, her working condition is very poor. She is Shilpa. She works in J&K Enterprises, where she had fixed working hours, job security, and a lot of benefits and allowances, with paid leaves, a good salary, and of course, she has regular work with a good working conditions. So, in this way, we can say that organized sector is much better than unorganized sector.
Art integration. The students have linked 3 states that are Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya and Uttar Pradesh. Most people here know nothing about Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya except that they are in northeast and they have lots of jungles. And believe me, while searching them, we have discovered a whole new world of amazing things. Meghalaya is the wettest place in the world, and Arunachal Pradesh is the Indian land of rising sun. As you know about Uttar Pradesh, it is home to Lord Krishna. Some information about these have also been written here, like languages, festivals, delicious food, monuments. Wow, Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world. We should be proud of it. Economic factors, literacy ratio, sex ratio, poverty ratio, and as we can see, Meghalaya is on the lead with maximum literacy ratio. Beautiful paintings and alluring dances. Look, Kathak, my favorite dance form. Now the last but not the least, coming to sports integrated activities. Sports integration has been interlinked with social science. Remember the political symbols of French Revolution? The bundle rods? Remember where the French Revolution started? I'm sure you do. It started in tennis court. Some useful information about tennis, kabaddi, and football, the national sports of Germany, is also provided here. Sports has also been interlinked with Uttar Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, and Meghalaya. Arunachal Pradesh has major interest in rafting and mountaineering. At last, I would like to thank our principal sir for conducting online classes throughout the year, and social science department teachers for always supporting us, as well as for making our study easier in this period of global pandemic.
COVID-19 pandemic,
my biggest worry was how my son's 10th classes will be held when all the schools, colleges, institutions, offices were closed for nearly 2 months. But due to sincere efforts of teachers of DAV school, online classes were conducted on various platforms, and there was not any single difficulty in taking the class, and all the tests were conducted online, assignments were given online, and my son's preparations has been very nice. Even I never felt that the regular class in the school was not held, and he is ready for board exam. I am thankful to all the teachers of DAV school who have made this possible. Thank you.
Hi, I am Priyanka Gupta, mother of Madhusri Gupta, studying in 10th standard. For sure, the pandemic has been the most difficult time for students, especially for those who are studying in 10th and 12th standard. Board exams have always been a big mental challenge for both parents and students. But the situation presented by COVID-19 is beyond words. Despite all these challenges, the DAV school administration is handling the situation so well.
I am Nishank Sharma of class 9 secondary wing of DAV Public School, Saibabad. No doubt that in these hard times, that is the COVID-19 pandemic, my teachers, the in charges, the management had done a lot of efforts in the transaction of lessons in online classes. From the bottom of my heart, I am very thankful to them.
From DAV Public School, from the bottom of my heart, I thank to the principal sir and teachers of the school for arranging online classes and putting sincere efforts on us.
हिंदी हिंदुस्तान की मधुर मनोहारी है, यह धड़कन हमारी जान से भी प्यारी है। जीवन का कोई भी कार्य बिना लक्ष्य के सुव्यवस्थित रूप से पूर्ण नहीं होता। इस तथ्य को ध्यान में रखते हुए हिंदी भाषा शिक्षण में छात्रों के सर्वांगीण विकास हेतु हिंदी की गद्य पद्य विधाओं पर आधारित पाठों, व्याकरण तथा रचनात्मक लेखन को कला समेकित, विषय समेकित, अनुभवात्मक, रचनात्मक, सृजनात्मक तथा खेल विधि द्वारा विभिन्न विषयों की अवधारणाओं सहित क्रियान्वित करके प्रस्तुत किया गया है। ऑनलाइन कक्षाओं के दौरान भी हिंदी टाइपिंग द्वारा कार्य करने का प्रयास किया गया है। कहा जाता है कि मानव की बहुमुखी भावनाओं व विचारों का प्रबल प्रवाह जब रोके नहीं रुकता, तब वह कला के रूप में परिवर्तित होकर फूट पड़ता है। कला एकीकरण के अंतर्गत एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत विषय को अरुणाचल प्रदेश और मेघालय की लोक संस्कृति व साहित्य से जोड़ा गया। साहित्य का अध्ययन करते हुए जाना कि उत्तर प्रदेश कालजयी साहित्यकारों की भूमि है। गोस्वामी तुलसीदास, सूरदास, कबीरदास, प्रेमचंद, सूर्यकांत त्रिपाठी निराला आदि कवियों तथा लेखकों ने जहां अवधी, खड़ी बोली, ब्रज भाषा, उर्दू, हिंदी, अंग्रेजी भाषाओं से साहित्य को समृद्ध बनाया, वहीं अरुणाचल प्रदेश में ममांग दई, वीरेंद्र परमार जैसे लेखकों का हिंदी, अंग्रेजी, बांग्ला, नेपाली, असमी भाषा में लेखन द्वारा साहित्य में योगदान दिया गया। लोक संस्कृति के अंतर्गत भारतीय उपमहाद्वीप के पूर्वी राज्यों में अरुणाचल प्रदेश लोसर व मोपीन महोत्सव तथा मेघालय मुखौटा नृत्य के लिए प्रसिद्ध है। इसके अतिरिक्त संगीत कला, नृत्य कला, चित्रकला, बुनाई, हस्तशिल्प, वेशभूषा, खान पान तथा त्योहारों पर विस्तृत जानकारी एकत्रित की गई। नया करने की शुरुआत हमेशा चिंतन और कल्पना द्वारा ही संभव है। इसलिए हमें रचनात्मक तथा सृजनात्मक विकास के लिए कार्य करने की स्वतंत्रता और अवसर प्रदान किए गए। अवलोकन, खोज और विश्लेषण को चुनौती के रूप में स्वीकार करके कविता वाचन, विज्ञापन, अनुच्छेद लेखन, नारा लेखन पर कार्य किया गया। साहित्य समाज का सशक्त अवलंब है। कविता जीवन के प्रतिबिंब को दर्शाती है साथ ही शिक्षा भी प्रदान करती है। संभवतः काव्य जीवन को सरस, सशक्त और संबल प्रदान करता है। इसलिए कन्यादान कविता के माध्यम से विद्यार्थियों को अपने अधिकारों को पहचानने की सीख दी गई, ताकि वह समाज में कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर चल सकें और अन्याय का प्रतिकार कर समाज में व्याप्त शोषण के विरुद्ध अपना योगदान दे सकें। गोस्वामी तुलसीदास द्वारा रचित पाठ राम लक्ष्मण परशुराम संवाद मर्यादा पालन, शील आचरण तथा क्रोध से बचने की शिक्षा देता है, क्योंकि क्रोध हमारे विवेक का नाश कर देता है, साथ ही समाज में उपहास का पात्र बना देता है। अतः क्रोध प्रबंधन पर कार्य करके नियमित योग, ध्यान व संतुलित भोजन के माध्यम से सीख दी गई। साथ ही साथ हिंदी विषय के अंतर्गत प्रकृति के निखरते रूप व सौंदर्य पर कविता, कोलाज, अनुच्छेद आदि बनाकर उसके रूप को तराशा गया। जो भरा नहीं है भावों से, बहती जिसमें रसधार नहीं, वह हृदय नहीं पत्थर है जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं। युवा पीढ़ी को राष्ट्र प्रेम एवं देशभक्ति की भावना मजबूत बनाए रखने के साथ साथ शहीदों का सम्मान करने हेतु स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों पर कार्य प्रपत्र तथा विभिन्न विषयों पर अनुच्छेद लेखन किया गया। शब्द भंडार में वृद्धि करने हेतु व्याकरण के विभिन्न विषयों पर कार्य किया गया, जिसमें वाच्य, पर्यायवाची शब्द, संज्ञा आदि सम्मिलित हैं। अनुभवात्मक अधिगम के अंतर्गत रस्सी कूदकर खेल कूद गतिविधि द्वारा वर्षा ऋतु में प्रतिरक्षा बढ़ाने के प्रति जागरूकता बढ़ाई गई। सभी जानते हैं कि देश भर में कोरोना वायरस की वजह से जन समुदाय को अनेक कठिनाइयों का सामना करना पड़ रहा है। इसलिए खेल खेल में माइक्रोग्रीन्स खेती करके मानसिक और शारीरिक स्वास्थ्य हेतु स्वस्थ आदतों का निर्माण किया गया, जिसके आधार पर अनाज के सदुपयोग और कृषि संबंधी समस्याओं का नवीन ज्ञान प्राप्त हुआ। बाल गोविंद भगत सन्यासियों की परिभाषाओं पर खरे उतरने वाले गृहस्थ हैं, जो धान की खेतीबाड़ी करके जीवन यापन करते हैं। अतः विज्ञान तथा सामाजिक विज्ञान अधिगम के अंतर्गत धान के क्षेत्रों की पहचान माइंड मैप द्वारा तुलनात्मक अध्ययन तथा जल संचयन प्रणाली पर शोध कार्य करके वैज्ञानिक दृष्टिकोण की ओर अग्रसर किया गया। गणित समेकित विषय के अंतर्गत आकार, मापन, ग्राफ तथा पाई चार्ट के माध्यम से गणित कौशल में वृद्धि हुई। संगीत तथा नृत्य कला अधिगम के तहत विभिन्न वाद्य यंत्रों तथा नृत्यों की प्रस्तुति की गई। मैं नन्हा सा पथिक विश्व के पथ पर चलना सीख रहा हूँ। मैं नन्हा सा विहग विश्व के नभ में उड़ना सीख रहा हूँ। पहुँच सकूं निर्दिष्ट लक्ष्य तक, मुझको ऐसे पग दो पर दो, पथ मेरा आलोकित कर दो।
Hello everyone, this is just a small review about our hardworking teachers. Okay, my daughter who's in class 10th, she has been receiving regular assignments, worksheets and even the doubt clearing sessions in all the subjects, be it Sanskrit, maths or science, English or social studies. All the subjects, the doubt clearing sessions are excellent and their difficulties are solved with so much of ease. So we as parents, we are both very happy with all these hardworking teachers and we have no words to thank them. So, all the best, and we are very, very thankful to all our DAV teachers of class 10. Thank you so much for nurturing our children so very well. Thanks a lot.
Hello everyone, I am Sangeeta Rini, mother of Yash Srivastava, class 9th A.
Hello everyone, I am Manoj Kumar, father of Yash Srivastava. First of all, I want to thank all the DAVian fraternity to deal with the COVID-19 periods proficiently. All of a sudden, the whole world has come to a standstill due to COVID-19 pandemic. It turned our lives upside down. During that pandemic period, the school management of DAV, along with their warrior, teachers, and support staff, came forward and done the tremendous job through conducting online classes. We must appreciate the efforts and hard work of our teachers who are trying their best to teach our words through online classes and providing them the study material. Without any fear, they kept their pace and conducted all the examinations, unit tests on time. The teachers are not leaving any stone unturned to avoid waste of precious time of students. Although
I am Abhiraj Tomar of DAV Public School Saibabad. I am overwhelmed by the efforts my teachers and school management have put in this odd situation. I am thankful for them to render their support to me. It wouldn't have been possible without them.
As we all know that the online mode was new for everyone, but teachers' cooperation for our student was really appreciated. For example, as they have organized PTM to track our students' progress, makes us comfortable from home. Okay, in this pandemic situation, it makes very easy for as well as our children and us too. And we are really very thankful to them. Thank you.
Rohit Saraf, father of Rujula Saraf, class 9th D. My feedback regarding the studies during this period was all up to the mark. As far as I think the teachers have done a good job, and the interpretation of the teachers with the students was all up to the mark, and the teachers have completed the syllabus of the class 9th in the proper time with timely revisions. Thank you.
Good morning. I am mother of Pranchi Chaudhary, 10th F Secondary Wing, DAV Public School, Saibabad. Coming with lots of appreciation for the teacher who made it possible in this lockdown period. It's a very productive online classes for the students through all the best efforts. From the very beginning of this session, the school has conducted online classes regularly, which did not result in the loss of their studies. To be a parent, I am glad to see that the hard work done by the teachers for the better results, preparing sample papers and giving them worksheets for the practices.
Good morning everyone, I am Rudma, a student of DAV Public School Saibabad. As we all know, we have suffered a lot in this pandemic of COVID-19, but our school has made sincere efforts and I would like to thank for that to all the teachers and sincere staff. Our teachers have made so many efforts in fulfilling our problems, clearing our doubts and making our learning better and clear. So I would like to thank to all the staff members, teachers for your sincere guidance, efforts and your help.
Good morning everyone. I am Anvesha Balyan from DAV Public School, Saibabad. COVID-19 pandemic has shown us many different colors of life in a very short period of time. To some of them, we were extremely unfamiliar. For example, we got the experience of life in the global pandemic. Also, we understood the importance of hygiene and sanity. But apart from all that, we got to know the importance of teachers, friends, peers in our life. The role they play can never be replaced by another. During lockdown, although we connected over online platforms like WhatsApp, Discord, etc., but somewhat we missed the eye contact and face-to-face conversations, which conveyed more than words. I personally felt that I have converted into an introvert even more than before. Therefore, I definitely agree with the fact that online classes has distanced us from our peers and teachers in a class.
Oh.